Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 inventions that are set to revolutionize the world in 2024. From flying taxis to innovative water purification systems, these cutting-edge technologies are poised to transform various aspects of our lives. Let's dive into the most exciting and impactful inventions of the year. Flying taxis, urban air mobility. Flying taxis have long been a futuristic dream, but 2024 will see this dream become reality with the introduction of the Sismo hoverbike. This VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, designed for one passenger, uses large propellers and side-mounted fans for precise flight control. Unlike traditional taxis, these flying vehicles can bypass traffic, turning a 60-minute commute into just a few minutes. The Sismo hoverbike, priced between $300,000 and $500,000, represents a major step forward in urban air mobility, with plans for future models to be more affordable. By offering a hybrid electric power system, it also promotes greener transportation. Autonomous truck yards. Autonomous trucks are revolutionizing the logistics industry, and a Texas distribution center has made waves by deploying a fleet of fully autonomous trucks. These AI-driven vehicles are based on advanced machine learning and computer vision technologies developed at MIT. Their job? Optimizing the movement of trailers within truck yards, ensuring that operations run 24/7 regardless of weather conditions. These trucks significantly reduce the need for human labor, a crucial benefit amid global labor shortages, and integrate seamlessly into existing warehouse management systems. The ability to operate around the clock enhances productivity, while reducing overall costs. String bike, chainless cycling. Cycling has undergone a revolution with the introduction of the string bike, a remarkable invention that eliminates the traditional chain in favor of elastic strings. Developed as part of a postgraduate challenge at Budapest Technical University, this innovation provides a smoother, quieter, and more efficient ride. The bike's design uses a sophisticated pulley mechanism and free wheels to distribute power across its 19-speed system. The lack of a chain not only reduces maintenance needs but also ensures the bike's longevity, making it an appealing option for casual cyclists and enthusiasts alike. Moreover, the string bike is affordable and durable, offering a comfortable ride over long distances. The gyro gloves, reducing hand tremors. Millions of people worldwide, particularly those with Parkinson's disease, suffer from hand tremors that make everyday tasks difficult. Enter the gyro glove, a revolutionary device designed to counteract these tremors. Equipped with a small gyroscope that spins rapidly, the glove stabilizes hand movements by reducing tremors by up to 80%. This breakthrough invention was inspired by a medical student's encounter with a patient struggling to perform simple tasks like eating. The gyro glove provides a lightweight, comfortable solution that doesn't require doctor customization, making it easily accessible. Sunflower system. Harnessing sunlight. The sunflower system is a smart, eco-friendly solution to reducing energy costs by harnessing the power of natural sunlight. Designed as a heliostat, this device tracks the movement of the sun and reflects its light directly into targeted areas, such as windows or indoor spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting. By replacing up to 60 conventional light bulbs, the sunflower system significantly cuts down on electricity consumption, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Ecto VR shoes, walking in virtual reality. As virtual reality continues to evolve, one challenge persists: how to move naturally in a digital world while staying grounded in the real one. Ecto VR shoes have solved this issue with a design that allows users to walk in virtual environments without colliding with real-world objects. These shoes are equipped with small wheels in the soles that help users simulate walking in place while their avatars move freely in VR. The system, developed over 7 years, incorporates advanced robotics and AI-powered design, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience. ONA Technologies, wave-powered water purification. With global water shortages becoming an increasing concern, ONA Technologies has developed a breakthrough system that purifies seawater using only wave energy. The Iceberg-class unit is designed to serve coastal communities, industries, and resorts by transforming up to 50 cubic meters of seawater into fresh, drinkable water each day. This system is both efficient and eco-friendly, operating with minimal impact on marine ecosystems. The purified water produced by ONA's technology meets World Health Organization standards, ensuring safe consumption for the people it serves. Using wave energy not only makes the system sustainable, but also drastically reduces the operational costs typically associated with desalination. Smart Kai System. Maritime Freight Optimization. Maritime ports face increasing pressure to manage cargo more efficiently, and the Smart Kai system is leading the way in optimizing the docking process. This advanced system collects real-time data on currents, winds, tides, and other factors that affect a ship's position during docking. By analyzing this data, the system helps dock operators safely guide vessels into place, even in adverse weather conditions. It can be retrofitted into existing port facilities, transforming traditional docking processes into smarter, safer operations. The Smart Kai system also enhances communication between ships and ports, improving overall efficiency. As global trade continues to grow, such optimization tools are becoming essential for reducing delays and preventing accidents. Powerfoil solar panels. Charging devices with light. Powerfoil solar panels represent a leap forward in solar technology, designed to power devices through light, both indoors and outdoors. These innovative panels convert light photons into electrons, providing a renewable source of energy that can keep gadgets like headphones and speakers charged without needing an outlet. Developed in Sweden over a period of 12 years, the resilient solar cells offer a unique solution for users who want continuous power on the go. Magic Float Blocks. Modular floating jetty systems. Magic float blocks are a versatile, modular solution for building floating structures on water. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, these blocks are designed to be assembled like giant Lego pieces, creating jetties, docks, or platforms quickly and easily. Each block is capable of supporting up to 1,129 kilos, making them ideal for marine applications, from personal docks to large-scale floating installations. These 10 inventions are set to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from transportation and healthcare to energy and entertainment. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge. If you found this video informative and exciting, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest technological advancements. Thank you for watching.